Happy Thursday. Hopefully, everyone's having an awesome day, awesome week. But we have to go talk about Austin. And I don't really want to talk about Austin. I mean, I only want to talk about good things about Austin. But unfortunately, I can't. Why can't I? Because the people of Austin wants to vote a certain way, which is driving honest, law-abiding citizens out of the city. Myself is probably going to be included. Hopefully not for another couple of years, but that's going to be a different topic. That's through property taxes. But what am I talking about? I'm talking about this Fox News story right here. Austin man pleads guilty to violent sexual assaults, get light sentences through deferred adjudication. That's right. Richard Williams, this piece of crap, enters a guilty plea in April. Let's see here. Blah blah blah. I don't really care about the age. At some point, the monster accused accessed his ex phone without her knowledge and found evidence that she was interacting with other men. According to the affidavit, the monster became enraged and ripped the television mount off the wall, breaking it. The victim fled to her bedroom, chased by the monster, tore the door apart with his bare hands. The monster then threw pieces of the shattered door at her, punching her in the head and the face with closed fists. According to the affidavit, the woman tried to defend herself but was overpowered. At one point, he allegedly held a knife to her and threatened to use it. She tried to get away. The woman later told police she thought she was going to die. The victim on the bed, having been strangled and beaten, William poured lotion, coffee grounds in her hair, all over her body, while belittling her verbally. The assault lasted approximately 2 hours. When it was over, Williams took her car keys and stole about $180, left her in the apartment. Police officers who later arrived on the scene said the woman's mattress was stained with blood and she had visible injuries, including swelling, bleeding, bruising on her face, head, torsos, and arms. So that was the action. According to her friend, helped them out. So investigators identified a monster with the help of a friend of a victim who the monster had allegedly sent disturbing photos of the assault. Police located him the following day and arrested him. He was charged with offensive of aggravated sexual assault, offenses of aggravated assault, family violence with a deadly weapon, and aggravated kidnapping causing bodily injury and sexual abuse. This piece of crap right here, this mofo, prosecutor Jose Garza sentenced him to 5 years deferred adjudication with the release after 90 days if there was no violation, including a no contact with the victim or her family. Court documents said that the state will not oppose a motion to early termination after the years if there's no violations. So this guy gets to beat up his ex-girlfriend, sexually assault her, destroy her property, and he doesn't spend 1 day in prison. 1 day in prison, or 90 days. Release after 90 freaking days. Release after 90 days. And if he has no criminal activity or anything like that, he gets to be let go after 5 years of adjudication. Come on, guy. Come on. This is not who we elected. This is not what we elected. We want someone that be strong on crime or strong against crime, not strong for crime. Strong against criminals, not against law enforcement and law abiding citizens. This guy right here is destroying Travis County. He's destroying not United States, but he's destroying Austin. He's making Austin an unsafe place because he lets monsters that beat up his girlfriend for 2 freaking hours. That's right, 2 freaking hours. I had to read this at work because I wasn't too sure. And this is what I wrote on Twitter in response to Johnny K 20,001. This guy doesn't care about law abiding people in Austin. If you have to defend yourself against monsters, he'll throw out the full book of laws against you while letting the monsters walk free. That's right, walk free. Heaven forbid this victim had a gun and shot him. She'd be spending the rest of her life in prison as a victim. This isn't the first DA to do this. This isn't the first city to have a crappy DA. I made a video, I think last week or the week prior, about a bodega person killing someone with a knife in self-defense. There's video evidence, and he's being charged with second-degree murder. These DAs don't care about you. They don't care about the rule of law. They don't care about justice. They just want to destroy American values, destroy law-abiding citizens by making them into criminals and acting in self-defense. Now, this guy right here, this DA Garza guy, is going after a Fort Hood sergeant. Now, I forget what his name is, but the sergeant was doing Lyft or Uber during the BLM riots of Austin, more like wannabe riots where they stormed the police station. He wasn't paying attention. You could probably get him on that. He swerved to miss the crowd of zombies, and the zombies swarmed him. There's another, I want to say, Navy or Air Force vet with an AK. Went up to the car that he was driving. Stories are that the guy with the AK raised his weapon, and the Fort Hood sergeant shot his 9mm or 45, killed him on the spot. He drove away and called the cops, and was now that sergeant is non-deployable if he's still in the military. I don't know if he's still in the military, but if I was the Army general, I would pretty much nix that guy because he's non-deployable until his legal issue, which was caused by this person, because he was a law-abiding soldier. Now he's getting first-degree charges. Might have to see if there's an update to that case. That may be tomorrow's video. I don't know. But the issue is that this guy right here needs to be recalled. I will gladly sign my name to recall this guy. This guy is doing more harm than good. He's destroying the fabric of Austin. Anyways, that's the video I have. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Am I angry enough, or am I too angry? Because it seems like this DA is soft on the crimes that we want prosecuted. But anyways, leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Smash the like and subscribe button on all 180 platforms, or just the platform that you're currently watching. But most importantly, have yourself a wonderful day, morning, or evening. And if you're in Austin, stay home, stay inside. Because if you have to defend yourself against monsters, chances are you will be going to jail.